And hello there, it's Dr. Brenda, sociologist, financial coach, founder of Gutsy Women Finances community, full-time RVer, traveling the country with my three cats. Hey, welcome. It is mid-December already. I can't believe it. I am in my winter home, South Padre Island, Texas, t-shirt and short weather. Gotta love it. Hey, I am super, super, super excited. I've been able to rebuild, recreate, oh man, just do all kinds of great stuff with Gutsy Women Finances community. And I am here to show you what the big deal is. Okay, let's head on into this. So this is Gutsy Women Finances community. The really neat thing is that I've been able to create, if you hear the background noise, my two younger cats are having a blast here, playing, racing through the tunnel. So you might see a cat flying over my shoulder. It's okay. See? Gutsy Women Finances. The really neat thing is that you can have free access to the main part of Gutsy Women Finances community. If you want to join us for live workshops and recordings and downloads and all kinds of great stuff, there's an option for you to get a paid membership. There's also an option for you to join us in a Financial Freedom Academy course. Plus, I've got weekend workshops periodically. When you come in here, you get priority seating. So what is the big deal? Okay, this is on a platform called Mighty Networks. It is one of the coolest, easiest platforms to use. Really, really excited about it. So this is the home part of my community. And when you pop in, and again, you can have free access. When you pop in, you are going to get a welcome checklist. So it asks you to do some things like introduce yourself, download the app, come to one of our events, share your dream life, invite someone to the network, add a comment. Hey, take my money archetype quiz. So it gives you sort of the layout, the starting point. All of the fun stuff here is on the navigation bar. So it starts with the welcome checklist. You've got some featured items. You have upcoming events. Just so before I continue, my screen shows me everything that I have access to. So I am the creator. I have access to everything here that I've created. So paid or unpaid. So your left hand column here might look a little bit different. This is the feed. So this is just your latest stuff that's happening, the latest posts. This is the events page. Okay, so I have two types of events. I have free pop-up events, and I'm doing the first one on the 14th, Wednesday, December 14th. And then I've got another one coming up. And then these are all part of the paid membership program, the Wealth Builder program. So you're going to see the events. And good place to start is at Start Your Journey, the homepage. Okay, again, you've got the feed. You have the discovery, which gives you some of the top posts and the items that are featured. There is a chat area where you'll be able to chat. Free pop-up events. You can go into this event and you can RSVP, get it on your calendar. So tells me I'm going. Absolutely, I'm going. So you can get your free pop-up events. This is the home of all of the articles. So you can read all about all of this stuff. The big thing, before I forget here, okay. Every month we rotate through a new theme. Okay, so right now it's December. It is Dare to Dream month, and December is it's about exploding those dreams, letting them back out. Here's what's coming up. It'll show you, in January. January is GYST month. Get your shit together month. February is budget love month. I move through the season. So winter, this is the winter season. And as I build the next season, you're going to know exactly what's coming up and what the workshops are in the Wealth Builders program. So that's a good way to know what's happening. We also moved through this. I've got a routine. So every month we've got a new theme, right? Now, every week within that month, we've got good stuff going on. Sunday, it's Feel Good Sunday, share a photo. Monday, Money Monday challenges. You've got a challenge for the week. Tuesday, take a poll or ask a question. Wednesday, it's Get to Know You Wednesday. So I'm gonna ask you just a fun question. Thursday is our serious Thursday. You get to read an article. Friday, I'm gonna give you an inspirational quote. So that's what's happening throughout the week, throughout the months. And okay, so we've got a couple of topics. I'd love for you to share your dream life here. That's where you're it's on your welcome checklist. Exclusive offers. See what's happening here. You can see that I now have priority seating open for my January workshop. This is a small group workshop, 10 women only. And if you can go there, you can sign up, right? This gives you priority seating. You're not going to be able to see this unless you are a member of Gutsy Women Finances. Grab one of those 10 seats. So that's an opportunity for you. My Wealth Builders program. This is my premium program. What you're going to get inside is a quick start. So this is going to guide you on how to get started really quickly. You have activities. So you can look at your quick start money moves, calculate your net worth, use the wants and needs tracker, get a budget. Those are 3 types of way to get started. This is if you're really serious about building your wealth. You have live workshops. So twice a month, you get to join me in a live workshop. So set up 3 goals to power up 2023. Here's our upcoming lineup. And the workshops, I record the presentations. You have access to this entire library of workshop presentations. Okay, so I've been doing this for a while, so take a look. You've got all kinds of different workshops, supercharge your savings, tips on building financial resilience, building a budget that works for you. So you've got access to Investing 101. Hey, so that is all in the premium program, as well as a whole list of downloadable tools, the budget toolkit, resources for student loan debt, pay off my debt tool, all kinds of fun stuff for the Wealth Builders program. So that is my program. That is a paid program. I welcome you into it. Get your serious game on. All right. We've also got the Course Financial Freedom Academy, and you can purchase this separately. This is going to walk you through everything that you need to build financial freedom. Okay, so it gives you a peek inside, it gives you promises. There are 5 different modules, 5 different units. Start your journey, create a winning lifestyle, climb out of debt, grow the gap, jumpstart your dreams. And it is all self-paced, and I will pop in and monitor your activity, but you can do this course on your own time. Okay, can you see why I'm super excited about it? I am super excited about this. Good place to start is just get your free access. Get your tricycle, right? Get started on your path. Then hop up to the bicycle, join us in the membership. You get really interested, you want to know how to build financial freedom, opt for the weekend workshop, 10 women only. 10. Or into our Financial Freedom Academy. But just start, stop putting off financial freedom. Stop saying tomorrow. Tomorrow is today. Just do it. So hop on in, Gutsy Women Finances, explore. You can't break this thing. And I would love for you to hop into our free pop-up events. Okay, this is big. And these are going to just pop up throughout the year. So pay attention to what's going on. Welcome you into the pop-up events. Welcome you into Gutsy Women Finances, GutsyWomenFinances.com. I'm Dr. Brenda. You got questions, ask them below. And